Hey guys, it's me Dylan, back with another video. And look guys, here is my slime that I got. It's very toxic. It's very toxic. Look guys, I'm just gonna set this right here. Yeah guys. Okay guys, look at this. Gotta pour this into my hands right now. And you guys might be thinking, ew. And I'm thinking, yeah. And also a special shout out to my boy Connor in my class. He really wanted a shout out, so I did. Last name not included. He needs to hide his identity for being a superhero. Guys, put the sludge back in there. We're gonna do some experiments. First, we get a little Pikachu. Put him in there. Okay, put the little Pikachu in there. Now let's see if it feels different now. Little Pikachu. Little Pikachu. Little Pikachu escaped. Little Pikachu. Guys, guess what? It actually feels like your hands are actually wet. But guess what, guys? Your hands are actually dry. Clean as water. Guys, I am getting it on the floor, but that's okay. My mom can mop it up, I guess. Okay. Make sure you did your job. Okay. But the real experiment is we try to put as many little things as you can, like these little things right here. Okay. So put Pikachu. Yeah. Put Pikachu in there. Okay. Put him in there. And put him in there. Put him deep down in there. And the fun thing that we're gonna put in there, you'll just wait and see. I'll go get it. Okay guys, I'm back and we have a boy Olaf. No, a boy Olaf won't fit. But what will fit is this, I think. We'll try Poppy instead. Okay.